Well, overseas votes for the recent general election largely reflected local voting patterns. More than 9,000 votes by Singaporeans living abroad are counted, including in-person votes and postal ballots. A few constituencies saw different overseas vote shares compared to their local ones.
Sealed boxes containing ballot papers from the 10 overseas polling stations were opened on Thursday. They are sorted according to electoral divisions before being counted by officials. Candidates across various political parties inspected the process. They also observed the counting of postal votes, a first for this general election. Each envelope is authenticated by machines. QR codes matched, signatures verified before being counted. According to the Elections Department, about 74% of overseas Singaporeans who registered to vote in person voted at the polling stations abroad. Booths in London and Hong Kong saw the greatest turnout. For postal ballots, about 37% were accepted for counting. A few constituencies saw overseas vote shares differ from local votes. Bukit Panjang was split down the middle, while Sembawang West saw the Singapore Democratic Party's Chee Soon Juan garner more overseas votes than the winner, Poli Sun. There was a closer fight at West Coast Jurong West GRC, while Prime Minister Lawrence Wong's PAP team at Marsiling UT saw a higher percentage of votes at 80%. One political observer says overseas vote counts have little impact, as the number is small compared to the total valid votes.
The data that could be used is probably how much of that overseas votes actually go to which individual more so than the other. So whether it's the opposition or is it whether the PAP leaders within that particular constituency. If the counting is not huge and the numbers are very, very small, then there's no reason why they want to go and find out more details.
While these votes may not shift the needle, Dr. Tan says it's still important to allow overseas Singaporeans to have their voices heard.